To my channel if I don't burn my fingers. I'm going to do an unboxing today. So grab a cup of coffee, get cozy, and we're going to do the unpacking of my Hobonichi order that I got finally in 2022. I went back and forth on whether or not to go all in with Hobonichi. I definitely decided not to go with a cousin this year. Last year, playing around with my health calendar off of my Hobonichi Wannabe weeks, I have learned that I actually really like that and that it would probably be a good fit for me in this year for just my personal life, because things have kind of slowed down due to the pandemic. And so with that being said, I still need to carry around. I thought my B6 Slim would work, but it's not. And so I am going to move into a Hobonichi Weeks Mega so that I can have plenty of room for trackers and for, collections and things that I want to kind of keep in an all-in-one kind of container. Sorry about the bump. Let me raise this up just a little bit. So just pull the stuff out. This is a very small haul, and because I was able to order, I went back in and ordered in December, so I was really late in my game. I just bought a few items. The first thing is, I'm not going to explain the box because I think a lot of people have done that with other videos, and I am going to probably do a Techo Kaigi, kind of let you see what I'm using for 2022. But I did get the mint pin because I did order the Hobonichi plus the Weeks plus a cover. Let's get out this wonderful mint green pen. I have quite a few of these. They're actually really good writers, surprisingly. I really do enjoy them. I got the red Mega. And once again, I'm not going to break down the details of a Hobonichi. I think there's a plethora of YouTube videos that break down every little detail, the in and outs of the Hobonichi Mega and the Hobonichi Weeks itself. It's just a little bit bigger than the regular one with extra pages in the back for notes, which you don't get when you get the regular one. You just get like about 70 pages, so it's a fraction of the size, about half the size of this one. But I like the color red, so I got the one with 2022 for the Mega. Of course, they give you the Hobonichi Life book, and a lot of people like to take the cutouts and put them into their Hobonichis. I do not. And so I got a cover on cover, which I didn't remember ordering it, and so I ordered just the plain cover on cover through JetPen, so I have a spare one if I ever need to have one. But I think I'm going to do the stripes because I've got a plain cover on cover on my one that I'm using as my healthcare tracker. And the last item, so let me just actually put that on there. Sorry about that. Before I get to the last item, which I'm really looking forward to. I'm not exactly sure how it's going to work out, but let's just get this plain striped cover. And the way that this works to protect it, slip that in that way, and it has an additional pocket, which I probably won't use, but I'll probably just kind of, actually, I'll just go ahead and keep that in there. And then this one. Like so. And the cover for that is kind of like a linen cover bindery, so I just want to kind of keep that protected. This helps throw it into the bag if I do it just as this. But I decided for the first time to buy another cover for this for the weeks. And the zipper pouches that they had on the site, the one that I really wanted, they didn't have any longer. It was a Japan only. It became a Japan only item, so you can only get it if you were in the country of Japan. I know if it ever goes up on Etsy, it's going to be an arm and a leg. So I got the striped handled cover for this, which I actually really like, given the color combination with the red. Let's get that off. Really going to enjoy this. And I thought that this would pair very well with the, actually I'll keep the case cover, pair very well with the Hobonichi red. So it goes like this, and now I feel like I can cook with Crisco. A lot of people would probably go ahead and use this as a wallet too. I'm not going to do that. I will use this as just a cover case for me to like throw in a bag, and know that if I had this, I don't have to worry about anything falling out of this, because sometimes I keep a blotting sheet, or I keep receipts and stuff, and I have a little bit more room than the inside pocket of here, and then this little additional sticker one, which is actually being replaced by this one already, which I'll use for a page holder. But I really like this. I've got plenty of card slots for, my Japanese is not fluent enough for me to read that. And then all it has about, this is Abram, Moon and Sun, limited edition, found out of Yorkshire, England. So it gives you a history of the cover. Let me bring this down a little bit so that you can really see it. Very British. I was going to say that this felt very British when I looked at it. And so I've got a place to show you this. I've got an extra pocket here, and then the cover of the Hobonichi Weeks itself will go behind here in the back. So let's just get that in there like so. Ooh, this seems to be, nope, it's just me. I'm just being a little challenged. The zippers are making it a little tight. I might not be able to do cover on cover. Hold on just a second. I'm fighting with the binding. It's a tight squeeze. I've got to definitely hold it towards my body to, get it all in there, but it seems to, be working. So it is a little bit of a tight squeeze. I think it'll give once I get into it, but that is it. That is what I'll be carrying. I wish I could take this off, but it's such a big zipper pull. I'll probably just kind of keep it flat, but I do like it because now I can basically stick ephemera, which I've got quite a few stickers that I've ordered from shops and Etsy. I'm sorry, I'm trying to reach across my table to kind of get a sticker or two so I can show you. That is from Happy Mail from Shake Sparrow. I've got some of my trackers in here that I'm going to be putting together. So once I get it all together, I'll do a little bit of a walkthrough. I'm not going to probably use this one out on front at all, but I might keep it on the inside as just something pretty to look at, such as this. But I don't tend to decorate the interior. I will put in like a nameplate with the contact information if anybody finds it, so that I can get it back hopefully. I'm not seeing in here, and I'm kind of surprised. Oh, okay, I do. I have one, it looks like I have one page mark right here. Oh, I have two. Okay, so I don't know about how I feel about these. They do come in handy with the little bookmarks. They do come in handy with when it's out, but with this being a zipper and it's so close to the zipper, I might end up snipping these out. Unless I can figure out how to keep them maintained, because it's going to get in the way of the zipper. So there's that. Looking forward to finally being able to populate information into this. I've been waiting for days and not trying to utilize my workout journal to do so. But that is a quick unboxing and reveal of my new Hobonichi Weeks setup for 2022. If you like the video and the content, please give it a thumbs up. I really would appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. If you have been subscribing, thank you for continuing to stop by and give me love and support. I greatly appreciate it. Everyone be safe out there, and I'll talk to you next time. Take care. Bye.